Lord, if you are willing, you can make me clean. I am willing. Be clean. I'm whole, my Lord. Thank you. Go in peace.
See that you don't tell anyone. But go, show yourself to the priest and offer the gift Moses commanded as a testimony to them.